Direct auto insurance, affordable coverage for drivers. Direct auto insurance is a provider known for offering affordable and flexible insurance options, particularly for high-risk drivers. The company specializes in policies that cater to individuals who may have difficulty obtaining coverage from traditional insurers, making it a valuable option for many drivers. 1. History and background. Founded in 1991, Direct Auto Insurance has grown into a recognized name in the industry, serving customers across multiple states. The company focuses on providing budget-friendly policies with flexible payment options. Second, types of insurance offered. Direct Auto Insurance primarily offers auto insurance but also provides other coverage options, including motorcycle insurance, roadside assistance, and term life insurance. These additional services help customers bundle coverage for better protection. Third, specialization in high-risk drivers. One of Direct Auto's key features is its willingness to insure high-risk drivers. This includes individuals with a poor driving history, SR22 requirements, or those who need non-standard auto insurance. 4. Flexible payment options. Direct Auto is known for offering flexible payment plans, allowing customers to choose bi-weekly or monthly payment schedules. This makes it easier for policyholders to manage their insurance costs. 5. Discounts and savings opportunities. The company offers several discount programs, such as multi-policy discounts, safe driver rewards, and military discounts. These savings opportunities help make coverage more affordable for a wide range of drivers. 6. Claims process and customer service. Customers can file claims online, over the phone, or through local agents. Direct Auto Insurance provides a straightforward claims process, but customer satisfaction may vary based on location and individual experiences. 7. Availability and market presence. Direct Auto operates in multiple states, focusing on regions where non-standard insurance is in high demand. The company's network of agents and online services help customers find and manage their policies conveniently. 8. Roadside assistance and additional services. Direct Auto offers optional add-ons like roadside assistance and rental reimbursement coverage. These extras can be valuable for drivers seeking more protection beyond basic liability insurance. Direct Auto Insurance is a strong choice for drivers needing flexible and affordable coverage, especially those requiring non-standard policies. With a focus on accessibility and customized payment plans, the company provides valuable insurance solutions. To see the best offers on insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.